never used to come up on the land out. No, no. And then now it's probably 30 times a summer it comes up over the land. And then for the tropical storms, almost every time now it gets in the bottom of that little storage room.
Especially over there in the bodies, there's one big soup bowl. There ain't no more land left. That's why I tell my kids enjoy it on there because you ain't gonna have it. It's sad, bring a tootsie on.
About the only thing they'll save is what's inside the levees. The rest of this is history. Makes me feel like I'm ready to move out of Louisiana because we're not getting any help. I've been a resident of Louisiana all my life. I'm 50 years old and about ready to go.